Hello friends, let's learn about animals and their babies. First of all, we have cow. Cow's baby is called calf. Then we have sheep. Sheep's baby is called lamb. Next we have pig. Pig's baby is called Piglet. Next we have hen. Hen's baby is called chick. Next we have dog. Dog's baby is called puppy. Next we have donkey. Donkey's baby is called Foal. Next we have bear. Bear's baby is called bear cub. Next is cat. Cat's baby is called kitten. Next we have kangaroo. Kangaroo's baby is called Joey. Next we have deer. Deer's baby is called fawn. Next we have butterfly. Butterfly's baby is called caterpillar. Next we have frog. Frog's baby is called tadpole. Next we have duck. Duck's baby is called duckling. Next we have tiger. Tiger's baby is called cub. Next we have horse. Horse's baby is called foal. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.